Put it out here. Yes. Okay. All right, we just opened up. There, go there. Go there. All right. Now we're good. Let's check this. Oh, weird. You're like dumping right now. Holy cow. I do not want this. Holy. Alright, we're like low-key flushing hard right now. I don't know what's going on. Oh my goodness. Alright, we just entered a 15-minute zone. We just entered a 15-minute zone, so let's see how we react off of this. Welcome in, guys. Today's Thursday. So we have like 2 days to make this month green. Alright, so we have some accumulation going on here. Yeah, here we're dumping the 5-minute. We have this, technically speaking, right here. Accumulation. So let's see if we can manipulate off of that. So I'm looking for right now. We have this version, and we have this version. So let's see what we can do here. Trying to see. We have no real internal sweep right now, but wow, we are flushing. Alright, so far we're holding just nothing. No levels holding right now. So these gaps are useless to me. Because now, since we just push lower, I mean, we're pushing lower. Wow. This accumulation does not... We can get some ground here. on this level. We'll see what we can do. Now we're just. I'm not surprised. We're just taking profits. And we had data. We had 8:30 data this morning. We might low-key go all the way down to London low. We might low-key see that. Depending on how we react here, we could take out. Let's see if we. Yeah, we have some liquidity in the bottom. On the hourly though, no, we're flushing hard. All right, so we have an hourly gap coming up, but I'd rather take this other zone, not this one. Wow, look at us go. All right, so now we kind of wait. We wait now. This is crazy. This is just clear taking profits. That's all it is. Or a Trump tweet. Well, only two options. Let's see. Christina, did you send me a rose? Stop. Stop. You're too kind. Good morning, how are you? I hope you're having a good day so far. Hope you're having a good day. Not bad. Just hoping to make some money today. Alright guys, right now we just looks like we might be grabbing some orders here on that 15-minute zone. So we just nearly missed that hourly gap. So this could be a fake out. Could be a fake out. Yeah. Let's see what we do here. Christina, oh my gosh. What's up? We're going crazy right now. Oh, is that like a fan club thing? Not gonna lie, I don't know what the fan club is. I'll be honest with you, so thank you for joining it. I'm trying to figure out this whole streaming thing right now. But I'm nice. You're the nice one. Let's see what we do here, guys. Let's see. I really want to. Yeah, okay. We just filled that hourly gap. I don't want this anymore. Yeah, no, I don't want that anymore. So let's wait to see. We just filled that. You can see the screen here. We just filled this gap. Perfect. This is what I want. So on the 15-minute, we have. Yeah, we just filled the hourly gap. That's what. So red line is the hourly gap. So we just did. It's important. See if we can grab some orders here. We are really flushing though. Like, really flushing. So in a perfect world, I would really like to see us take out London low. Yeah, we're dumping pretty good right now. Not gonna lie. It's not a bad thing. London low will give us more liquidity. But I'm still definitely looking for longs. Because now at this point, I don't want to take shorts unless we bounce back up. Let's see if we can take out these London lows. There we go. Alright, we just completely filled it out of the gap. Now we just wait. So now, honestly, we're going to take those London lows. And I'm hoping that we get some consolidation or high volume. Because as of right now, we're not really manipulating. We're kind of just dumping. So, you know the saying, they think, don't catch a falling knife. Yeah, that's this. If you guys want to see my full screen, you can go on my my Kick or YouTube. It's just Moonblock Trades, like my username. You'll get a lot more action what I'm actually doing. Alright, we just missed it. You gotta be kidding me. We just missed it. Let's see what we can do. Let's see. Look at that reaction. I mean, granted, we're on the 1 minute, but we can maintain the structure. What time is it? It's 9:40. I don't think there's any news. No, yeah, the data was already this morning, and I'm assuming that's low key why we're dumping. I think we're low key dumping off of those data movement. Here we go. Alright, that's some pretty good action right there. So now basically I'm waiting for some consolidation now. So if we can build a base from like here, and now I want to see something like this. You know what I mean? Manipulate, go higher. That's really what I want. But now we have to. I don't just take. So some people just take that manipulation move right here when you sweep out the lows. I like to have extra confirmation. That's just how I trade. So we'll see what we do. And we have 2 days left of the month. So we'll see. I don't think there's any like war news today. Like I don't think there's any meetings going on or anything. But we'll see. We'll see. In terms of gaps, right? We just touched in the hourly. We just touched in both those 30 minutes. Let's see if we can. We have a small inverse. A small inverse right here. You guys can see that actually. There you go. Okay. Small inverse. It has nothing to do with anything. I'm just marking it out. See what we do here. We're pushing up pretty good. Again, I want to see some consolidation here. Or we might just moon. That works too. Let's see. Alright, so we just close above that, which is good. So we're showing some strength on the lower time frames. We have some some internal sweep going on at the London low. Oh, we never actually took out London Low. Hmm. That's interesting. We never took out London Low. This could be a potentially like a fake out. Christina, you are in a giving mood today. Goodness gracious. I don't even know what any of that stuff is. I just see like a piece of cake on my screen. Thank you. I think it's like coins or something, right? Christina, she's in a good mood this morning. That motivates me. I need to make some money now. Yeah, I've been streaming every day for like 2 weeks on Kick and YouTube. And I just started TikTok. I can't get like computer access until my account's been 30 days old. It's like a AI restriction thing I have to deal with. That way I can actually on my computer. That makes sense. Because most people can't see my full screen, so. You'll be here? Oh, perfect. That's good. I have a loyal member. Don't expect too much. I'm on my trading features for like 2 months, since February, so. Well, I've been in the market for 4 years now. But I just converted futures. And like prop firms and stuff. Can you whistle? No. Can't. My brother can, but the only time I ever whistle is when like I eat too fast and I'm like inhaling my food. I'll do it sometimes. It's the only way I can whistle. I would say ES is up too. ES, let's see. Yeah, I can't. I cannot whistle. Like no matter what, like inhaling, exhaling, I can't do it. Alright, ES is low-key. Yeah, we're just going through zones in ES too. We're just fine. We're just fine. I know some people might be looking for those SMTs. We have. Oh wow. It's really the ES is actually much stronger than Q, percent wise. Oh, this is good though. This is good. We want consolidation. This is important. What's interesting to me is the fact that we did not take out London Low. So I think you're going to see an internal sweep here. I think you're going to see an internal sweep here. I really do. Or also we might look, he just like blast through the zone and dump to the next one. Which is where Asia session lows are, so. Let's see if we can do something here. Let's see here, let's see. Wait, can you guys hear my music on Kick? I have like music play on my OBS. I don't know if it's actually working though. If you can hear, let me know. I can't use like normal music. YouTube like give me a copyright. So I have to be careful like what I play. Sadly. It's annoying, but minute. That's a pretty aggressive selling off there, so we could see some consolidation, which is what I want. Do I think we're gonna get high a day? Probably not. But I have now this new 15-minute zone forming. 30 minute. Yeah, so we just made this new zone right here on the 15-minute. As we have that aggressive sell-off right here, we push down. Unless we just immediately rip up, we could, but if I'm looking for longs, that's gonna be my new target. Let's see what we can do. So at this point, we're getting good consolidation. I want to see us retest up to this accumulation zone, dump, take out London lows, sweep, and then go higher. That's what I want to see here. If we lose, we lose. We win, we win. Good 30-minute, hourly. Looks decent. It's not perfect, but I would honestly prefer us taking out Asia session though, which is also that pivot. But now I'm asking too much. Alright, it's 9:51. So we have 9 minutes till reversal. So we'll see how we react in the meantime. There's no 10 a.m. news or anything, so let's see if we can sweep. It's good movement so far. Let's see here. If we can sweep and then give me an inversion, perfect. That is really perfect. If we can now inverse this, let it go. Yeah, I'm gonna go along here. I could take what? 3 contracts. I think if I take 3 contracts, if I were to. Oh, there's only 2? That's kind of a bigger stop, huh? I think I'm gonna take 2 contracts off this one. Let's go 3. Jeez. A big volatility today. And big stops. Alright, see if we can. Volume did pick up a little bit. It did. See how that bar is a little bit bigger here? So we went from 7.6K to 9.1 to 11.6. So we definitely have more volume here. Which is what we want. We want volume. Volume's good. Volume's good. Nah, Frank, I haven't entered anything. Not yet. Not yet. I'll let you know when I enter. You're gonna hear the order filled. I'll let you know, Frank. Don't worry. Yeah. You funny, bro. You funny. Again, we might just take away the zone, which is whatever. Let's see. Let's see. I'm gonna give it a wick down, a big volume spike. So I want to see. Here we go. So now I want to see basically this skin burst. There. That little 1 minute inverse fair value gap. That's what I want. If we can give a nice rejection tail. We might low-key just keep flushing though. I'm not gonna lie. So this accumulation is still valid though. Yeah, so now what I'm worried about though is that we might want to go take out AJ session lows. So this is no longer valid. We just closed below that zone. Right. So now we're back to another zone just hit. This one's gonna be more powerful because we're a pivot this time. And pivot zones are much better. And this is also a 30-minute and an alley rejection. This one has a lot more confluence. So if we just dump through this, then we're just bearish today. So let's see how we act. We have the accumulation. We have our zone. We take on London lows. We might just make a higher low than 30-minute in the hour. So let's see what kind of volume. Volume's picking up though. Volume's definitely picking up here. So we have an inverse right here. Ooh, I might be only entering if we get good volume here. If we can respect this inversion, we might be cooking. We might be cooking. And it looks like we are still respecting bearish gaps. But again, I don't want to go short until we pivot higher. Time's at 9:56. I get a little nervous entering next to 10 a.m. sometimes because it will just wick you out. I mean, go in your direction. So we will see. We will see here. We're still respecting it. So we might be going lower here. Which is fine, because anything past that midpoint is discount in the zone. We're already in discount in terms of overall movement. Let's see. Come on, baby. Come on. Let's see what we do here. I would not mind seeing an AJ session sweep. I would not mind seeing that. So basically a wick out of our zone. That would not make me mad. Not one bit. Still kind of low volume. Alright, we just got some internal sweep though. We can hold this. We did just get internal sweep. I wish that volume was a little bit... If this volume bar is bigger than that previous bar, it might be hope. It might be hope. There we go. That's some pretty good movement going on right there. Alright, if we can inverse this. Yeah, okay. Probably go 2 contracts just in case. I have to have a wider stop today, no matter what I do. 250 there. I would just target this gap on the. Alright, so let's get this here. Alright, soon if we can respect this, if we can disrespect this bearish gap, I will be entering off of a candle close for 2 contracts. So you will see me enter something like this. Targeting this gap. This gap. Alright, if we can close above this, I'm getting in. Now I'm on my prop from account, my eval, so we can close above that. Oop. Can't even see the screen. Alright, we can get a candle close here, I'm entering. It's a bit of a wider stop, but I'm gonna put my order in for 2 contracts. We have a much bigger stop right now. So, alright, my order's in. Let's see if we can tap back in. Don't you dare go without me. Don't you think about it. My order's in. Let's see if we can get filled here. We have a bullish gap now, so I wouldn't mind if we just wick below and respect it. Worst case, we get skipped. But my order is in now. I want to come down back to that. Yeah. I could have gone early, but we kept respecting that gap, so. Let's see what we can do. It might not come back down here. Which would look to be a shame, could be the right idea. So. NASDAQ, don't think about it. Don't you think about it. Alright, it's 10:04, so it looks like 10 a.m. kind of propelled this thing up. So let's see if we can get a nice pullback here. Looks like we just respected that 1 minute for value gap. Which is good, but I want to come out a little more. Don't you do it to us. Don't tease me. This thing might tease. Come on. We might not be getting filled here. And I can't move my entry up only because the stop loss is already kind of big. We have some bigger moves today in terms of the 1 minute candles. That was a devious. That was a devious candle. See how it just like snapped down like that? There's a good chance that we might be getting missed here. That'd be low-key a shame. Oh. Alright, I'm in, guys. Win for longs. Let's see if we can respect these gaps here. Alright, we're now officially in this trade. Let's see how we do. I'm targeting a gap. So basically I'm targeting a 15 minute gap, so 90 minute VWAP. Let's see how we react here. And my stop is below low day. Just for some room in case we don't. At this point, so I can't move any stops. I will move my stop only down that pivot low if we break this high. Right here. If we can break that high, then I would think about moving my stop. But in the meantime, we are just chill. Oh wow, we are tanking. Woo! We getting stopped out here. I'm not mad at this trade if we get stopped out though, because we had everything we needed. So. That is a crazy dump, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, we're definitely getting stopped out. No way. There's no shot we hold that. This is definitely gonna be probably a loss today. But it's okay. When my strategy is there, I just take the trade. That's it. It would be a miracle if my stop held by like 1 point. We did just take out low a day though. That's a pretty good volume, but now we have to inverse another one. If we have any chance of that looks like we might just engulf here. It would really be a miracle if it just stop held. It's okay though. I'm glad we tried though. We definitely had the right idea concerning the volume, so. We had definitely the right idea. So, not gonna be angry. I mean, if we can inverse his gap, that'd be really nice. That'd be like really nice. Let's see what we can do. That low day sweat might have helped us. But if we this trade's only gonna work if we can inverse this gap. But we could just respect it and make it work. Oh, maybe inverse that. Inverse that gap. There we go. If we can get a good candle close on that, that'd be really nice. Nice. That's some decent movement going on there. See if we can maintain it. All right, we got a good close on it. So again, if we cross that red dotted line, that's a pivot high. I'll move my stop to just that daily low, pivot low. But this could end up just being a lower high for another push down. Low key, be kind of insane if this trade hit TP. Oh, what a tease. What a tease. Yeah, we just made a all over high. It's all good. Not really respecting the gap right now. And this is all we have left really for bullet structure. We're just kind of making bear structure right now. So if we can't respect that, and probably GG's. Yeah, that's okay. I'm out. Lost 1 hour. The fact that our stop held though. The fact that our stop held though, we had a good area. Again, I'm not mad at that trade. We had good accumulation. But like I said, the Asia low was a little shaky, but sometimes it goes without it. So I do not regret taking that. Again, we're probably a little too weak today, but it's okay. Only down 1 hour on the day. Of course, when I go live, I'm on a losing streak. Happens every time. I swear. We might low-key just keep going down. We might just keep going down here. So basically, I wouldn't take anything until we're gonna sweep. We could re-enter off this Asia session low sweep. We do have another accumulation zone going on. Let me take a picture of this. Because win or loss, I still post it. So. There we go. All right. Get rid of this. We took one loser today. I'm not gonna sit here and tilt. It is what it is. Well, Frank, I did enter. Lost, but it's okay. Okay. All right, so we got a pretty decent gap point. The hourly, 30-minute. 50-minute looks pretty good. All right, so we're downtrending hard right now. So we just swept out the internal liquidity sweep. We took out London low and Asia session low. We have accumulation going on here. Let's see. See what happens here. We just close above that, almost. What the? So my thing always lags. It always like says it so later on. We have one here soon. Alright, we just took out Orbital handle, but I'd like to see us take out both of those. Like a dream. Looks like I have some back testing to do tonight. I cannot catch a break, man. Back. Nice. So right now we have stack gaps. I don't think I have any more zones below me. We could go to previous day New York session low, but we don't have any. I don't have any other 15-minute zones until we go short around like 2740. So that would not be ideal. Oh, here it is. All right, that's a pretty good push up right there as we swept Asia lows. We just manipulated that accumulation in the zone. Technically, it's another valid setup. Take 3 contracts. Could see another push up here. Target previous. Yeah, target that gap. Alright, let's see how we react here. I might be able to take another trade here. And also, if I lose it, so I'll be done for the day. Obviously, I don't take more than 2 losses in a row.
Shot for the gifted, triple shot for the pain. There you go, drink it up. All this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow, we go fast. Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day, all night, living in paradise. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time
We just respected that.
This is the time of
Yeah. All right. You know, I'm gonna go. We used to go Asia session low too, so let's see if we can. I haven't done anything yet. We do 3 contracts. like kind of weak. We just cannot hold anything. Holy cow. No matter what we do, we just can't hold anything. I do not want to do this anymore. What does that mean? Cookies. Elimination. Activation. We take out London low. We take out Asia session low. Yeah, I might have to keep pushing down. Yeah, we're really downtrending today. I just can't take shorts. I don't have a zone. I don't like taking inverse zones. I think they're sloppy. Alright, that was just our first. That was just our first higher low there. We just inverse that. Target probably low. You could just manipulate the low key. Let's see what we do here. Do another inverse. Just respected. We get 3 contracts out of it. Bro, what? We cannot hold bullet structure for the life of us. I mean, like, holy cow. And then we do that. What's happening? is that? This is some crazy movement right now. I don't know what just happened. Let's see what we do. We are just gonna march higher now, aren't we? Alright. I don't know if I want that anymore. I think I'm probably gonna rip the view out now. There's that 10th reversal for you. Those textbook. I think gone. Great. Cool. It's cool. Is AI something? Sorry. Oh my goodness. What are we trying to dump now? What is life? This is some crazy movement right now. I respect that. We could probably go a bit higher. We did not respect that. What? What is dumping? My God, this is just crazy. This is straight bananas. We flush. Oh my gosh. We're doing like almost something like this now. Low key. That's crazy. You might get some strength. Like, what is going on? I don't like how choppy we are in the zone, though. You chop too much, means the zone's weak. That's not a powerful zone. Yeah, right? We're just like doing nothing. We look strong, we just don't. Craziness. I definitely need some back testing though. I'm having a hard time right now. I don't know what's going on. Not sure what's going on. Ah, gosh, this song's gonna break. This song's gonna break. It's just not strong at all. A somewhat good one is like right here. Yeah, wow. I did not do that good today in terms of movement. Swish. I don't know. This demand zone's not doing that well. We're messy. What do you think? Everybody news or stuff going on? We are choppy, dude. Holy cow. I really thought we would. This zone was gonna get manipulated, which it did. Just gotta wait. He's gotta wait now. I don't know if we're gonna get anything today. I mean, this could have been it. We'll see what happens. And I guess I could take the inverse. No. Oh, now we're gonna go. Been watching for like a half hour straight. This level is tweaking me out. Not that strong. It really isn't that strong. But I could always actually just take. We have manipulation going on. We chopped around, dumped them. We inverse that. What if we were to take? Now we're just low-key chopping around again. This L movement, dude. I got like 15 minutes, left of me. Before I start tilting. Ugh. Oh, NASDAQ. You're horrible. Oh, what's ES doing? ES is mooning. Right. Holy sweep. Yeah, too bad ES didn't have a zone. I mean, Q is finally breaking out. Took forever. What music not on? Oh, NASDAQ. Break out of this. You're just doing nothing, man. This is just crazy. I'll start crying. Oh, this is brutal. Huh? Yes, action. Alright, so I entered. What? Why did this go wrong? Let's see, yeah, we're down some money here. Okay. Took that trade at 10:06. At 10:06. All right. I got in at 10:06. Right here. Oh, because I had this. It's not a horrible zone. And we consolidated. Drop down. Intercept. Then we had this. So I should have waited. And then I respected that. No matter what, I'll probably get stuck out of there. I realize how I play this. This was my manipulation right here. I had a feeling it was gonna take Asia Session Low out. So that's on me. Got a little impatient. The whole point of the zones is next to session lows, it gives me high probability. So this was the better manipulation. We then ripped up. Alright, no worries. Yeah, that's why it's working. Wait for both of you to get inversed. Which it did, and I just played that. You know what about 3 contracts? No, 2. Not even. No, I was getting stopped out today. No, that's okay. It's all good. Alright, walk out for the day. It's just not happening. It's not happening for me. What can you do? Wants to fill that zone. Oh yeah, well. $27,365. Yeah, that's how. It's all good. We're gonna hit RTP. Is what I wanted a while ago. Okay. I gotta hit TV. Yep, there it is. Alright, so we had the right idea. I always have the right idea. So I need to like perfect my entry. Essentially. I have the right idea every time. Wonderlo got taken out. I should have waited for Asia Session though to get taken out. It's right there. Why would it not? That was my mistake today. Probably would have gotten stopped out anyways, but I told you wrong. That's probably it for me, guys. Yeah, I have some work to do, so. The next time, guys. Thank you for watching.